So we're making good progress. We've got a good wind now. We're on about 35 degrees, something around 14 knots. So that's the Albanian flag down. And there goes the Montenegrin flag. 12 to 13 knots of wind, and we're pushing along at 6 to 8. We're actually been up to 8.5 knots. So, but the sea state is a little bit lumpy because there's a shelf that runs along this coast, and the sea is rising up the shelf and creating a bit of swell and a few waves.
So yesterday we arrived in the Kotor bar in Montenegro. We arrived about 2 o'clock perhaps and went on to the customs dock. So we went in to see the bookies first and took in our registration and our passports, and she stamped us in.
So we're on our way up to where we're going. Yeah, we're on our way up to Budva now. We're going to stop off at the islands in between.
So first swim for a while.
Yeah.
We're in.
It's warming up, definitely.
Yeah, he's saying it's warming up. We're in Montenegro and we've come to our first sort of little stop for lunch. What a beautiful spot. A lovely little island in the middle of nowhere. Oh, it's amazing. It's so hot.
It's a lot warmer today, isn't it?
Yes, it was, I think it came up as 40 degrees yesterday on the temperature gauge. But, oh, good grief. Yeah, it's really warm. Very still as well. We're hoping a bit of wind picks up later, but for the moment, this will do.
Yeah. A beautiful spot. A couple of little islands just off the mainland. I'm sure these mention the church on the end. And yeah, fantastic. Got friends on Sarsen, they're just in front. I guess he's swimming over to us now.
I'll check the anchor, really.
Yeah.
Oh, what an amazing day. It's beautiful. Breeze is just picking up, which is good, so we might even be able to sail to Budva, which is where we're heading next. So we're in Lustica, and it's the fairly new marina. It's absolutely beautiful. Bit of a cloudy day today. We've got thunderstorms and rain predicted today, so we thought we'd come for a walk and try and pay our tourist tax. We're having trouble with that. We'll let you know. Good luck. Don't go too far away. That's the beach.
No, the big cave's the one over to the left, but that one's alright. Go and have a look.
Oh, that one there?
Yeah, the big. Yeah. Big trek though. Oh, do you want to chuck it to me? Or are you going to just shove it under there? Well, I might as well leave it lashed on it.
Kim's falling off. How'd you fall off a kayak? Like that, I suppose.
Oh.
So he's fallen out of the kayak. I think he's lost the oar down the side of the boat. Poor Sandy's having to go and retrieve it. We might not.
Hang on to the paddle, yeah?
Yeah, we don't mind if Sue falls in, just don't lose the paddle. Get me falling in, John.
Yeah, don't push it away. So, just leave it that way a bit. That's it. Here we go.
Three legs.
Right.
Which end are the fins on? Might not go over the rope. Right.
Yeah, you're right.
Nope.
No, you're not. Hold on.
You're taking the dinghy with you. It's where the double oar comes in, doesn't it? When you're kneeling down on it. Yeah.
Yeah, we've got the...
Yeah, I think I said that I started on the kids ones. I couldn't get up. I couldn't stay on them for longer than...
Because they're so wobbly.
Just too small.
Yeah.
Too lightweight sort of thing.
Forgot the bread. Oh.
When I say...
So this is why you don't come to this island during the day. There are people everywhere. I'm going to zoom in just so you can see how many people are on the island. It's just mad.
A big push.
Yeah. We left bar yesterday at around 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:30 in the morning, with the expectation that there was going to be absolutely no wind. We were lucky to get a little bit of wind, but it was taking us in the wrong direction for a few hours, so we motored most of the way until about 2 o'clock in the morning this morning, and at 12 knots, and I think we've been sailing ever since.